Your future depends on fear or facts about XRP and crypto. Do you know enough about it? Are you just reading the headlines? Because if you're doing that, you're going to be fooled. Let me show you some examples of some clever writing. Okay, Standard Chartered says that they're lowering their price prediction. And this is written by a guy who has $1,000 worth of crypto. So obviously he's a tremendous investor and he knows what he's talking about. Okay, but he's basing it on market sentiment. So that's like how everybody feels right now and how's it going. But he leaves out utility. He leaves out regulatory clarity, long terms versus fundamentals. And you know what? Many long-term predictions are way higher. See, that's where it counts. The infrastructure is being put in. What's going to happen in 3 months from now, 6 months from now? Not looking at a stupid chart because that can't tell you anything. Then you have another article. Gold, XRP, extend losses on the holiday. Extend losses, I apologize, but XRP's up about 10% for the last week. So I don't know what you're extending on losses. And why don't you mention Bitcoin and Ethereum, the ones that are down, okay? So maybe you could take a look at that. And of course, there's Motley Fools. Here they come making fools of themselves. Again, is it headed to $1? This is just after writing how great it was and it was going to be supercharged. See, the problem with them is they have 10 different writers at least that write about XRP with 10 different opinions. 9 of them have zero knowledge of digital assets, like this guy here who wrote this one. Forget his name, Adam somebody. But he talks about robots and cars that drive by themselves. What does that have to do with digital knowledge, man? Listen, you need to be careful what you're listening to. And if you're basing your future on fear of headlines or what you heard instead of facts and research, you're missing out on the greatest opportunity of a lifetime to become wealthy, retire rich real soon.